All right, guys. First time getting the Arrma Typhon on 6S out for some bashing, thrashing, and crashing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get these batteries in here.
Here's the batteries.
Gonna put these batteries in here. Take this one apart here. That's gonna be the last one that goes over. And let's get this battery in here. These are a little bit tricky to get these in here with the wires and whatnot. And get these things in. And both these batteries mount right on top of each other. This has an adjustable battery tray on the back side here. Top of that. You gotta get these in here. Get these lined up. I don't know if I'm too crazy about all the Velcro and whatnot for the batteries here. Mounting them in. It's a little not as easy as like the eRevo and stuff. I guess once you get used to it, and you got different batteries, maybe shorter ones. These are a hair long, but we'll get them in. All right, so we're gonna turn the controller on. You got your throttle rate on the controller, you got your steering rate, you got your steering trim, throttle trim, and these are if you want them normal or not. So we're probably gonna turn that steering rate up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, finish getting these batteries in. We gotta loop this one down around. All right, so we're gonna get these plugged in. All right, guys, so we got the batteries in this Arrma Typhon. We're gonna go ahead and switch this to on. All right. You can see the fan spinning. I'm not sure if you can see that on the video or not, but we should have power now. All right, we're gonna have to turn. Let's see, throttle is going the wrong way, so we're gonna have to switch this to reverse throttle for the way we want it. There we go. All right, we got power. We got some steering. Looks like steering's got some nice, looks like it works pretty good. All right, man, let's go thrash, bash, and crash this car. See what we can do with it. Got to get the antenna in there. There we go. You got one pin on the front. We're going to throw that guy in there. And we got two on the back. Nice little features. Get the little rubber pin holders there. All right. We got 6S power, baby. Let's see what this thing can do. Boy, that drivetrain's actually real noisy because that was metal gears meshing. Fast car. Fast. And an epic flip over. It's definitely not a wheelie machine. It just spins the tires, but it does launch. It is real fast. Whoa! And back on his wheels. This thing's an animal. Holy cow. Wow, this thing is fast. Super fast. All right, guys, we're just gonna rip this off the jump for a couple times. This thing is super fast. This thing is insane. This thing's got so much power. Oh, I didn't hit that one too good. Watch, this thing's just like a rocket. Fires right off. Ada, what do you think about this car, man? Nice. This thing is super fast. It has so much power. 6S power, to be exact. I'll tell you what, it's doing a good job of thatching that lawn. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little speed thing here down the road and see how fast this 6S Typhon goes. Really nice suspension on this thing. It handles well. All right, here we go. See how fast. Wow, does that take off like a rocket? Holy cow. All right, man, this thing is awesome. Holy cow. All right, guys, I don't know if we mentioned it before. I don't think we did, but this car's got sway bars on it in the back here. Really help out with the handling and performance on this car. And we have sway bars in the front. We got sway bars. Does a really nice job. This car handles awesome. I've got to tell you. Tell you what, the bottom of the chassis is pretty warm. Got to be pretty warm because of those batteries. Yeah, those batteries are pretty warm.
Yeah.
All right, let's rip this thing up, man. Oh, man, we're getting spit up here with rocks and debris here. All right, guys, so we had a lot of fun with the Typhon, the Arrma Typhon 6S. This car handles awesome. I would say it's really good for a smoother dirt surface, grass, pavement. It doesn't have the ground clearance as a monster truck or a bigger truck, so we like to keep it on the dirt and whatnot. But hey, it's a great truck.
All right, guys, stay tuned to our channel because we're gonna have more videos coming out, and we don't want you guys to miss them. And Aiden, smash that like button button and subscribe to our channel, GHz Outdoor Adventures.
We'll see you in the next video, guys. Take it away.